this? Where have you been all my life?
Oh, I got life off for you, but them not ready yet. Let them know say I think I've already said. Them a chat, but they never ever matter yet. Expensive clothes on your body, and you know you put it 10 out of 10 from your bond. Nothing we have yet.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kanesha, and I'm back and better. And yeah, I'm just back and better. Anyways, so today I figured I'm gonna cook something different because I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen, yeah. And we're gonna, it's 10:19 in the morning. I just woke up and I bought the ingredients to make deep fried Oreos last night, and we're going to give it a try. Hopefully this tastes good, because if not, I think this, okay, so I think buying the ingredients itself, pancake mix, the Oreos, of course, and the milk cost me about $10. I think $10. So that's that. Let's get into this video because I don't want the video to be too long. So first we're gonna make the pancake mix. So I think I'm gonna put it over here so you can kind of see. I'm gonna measure cup too. Let me go down. All right. Always rinse out your products before you take them off the shelf. It's always better that way. Alright. So, first we need to open this pancake mix. And I don't have nails. So, I'm just going to cut it open. There we go. So, I need 1.5. So we're going all the way. Really? Why do you do this to me?
I need 1.5 cup of things, so come on.
There, 1.5. Oh, why is it so bright? Oh my god. 1.5 cup of pancake mix. We're just gonna pour it in here. Okay. And then I need 1 egg. Okay. And what do I need for this mix? 1 cup of milk. So yeah, so in here, in the little mix, I don't know, I don't want to spill, but in the mix I have eggs, if you guys didn't see, the pancake mix, and milk. So I'm just gonna mix those together. Oh, and oil, I'm adding the milk little by little because I don't want it to get too watery, but I don't want it to be too thick. Like right now, this is like super. I don't want to touch it, so. There was lumps on the spoon, so I'm doing is I took another spoon to try and get the lumps off of it. That's a bit better. Okay. Now that that's done, I can put put the egg back because now it's time to put the oil on the stove. Now I'm always terrible when it comes to pouring oil because I never know how much to put. Like I always end up putting a whole bunch. I think that should be good enough. I mean, they're Oreos, so they're not that big. I mean, probably. I'm not trying to finish off the oil in my house. Alright. Now, okay, it'd help if I turn on the stove, wouldn't it? I don't know how y'all stoves work, but like, mine has two sides, like an inner circle and a bigger circle, and like high and low. I just put it in the middle because I don't want it to be too hot, but I don't want it to be too low. Now, I just gotta wait for it to bubble up, 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 bubble up. Oh, this is so yummy. Oh, I hope this is so yummy. I'm not gonna say it's yummy yet, because if it tastes nasty, I don't know how it's gonna be. Okay, you feel me? Okay. Bruh, yo, now that I'm waiting for the oil to bubble up, I have so many videos for y'all. So many. I just don't know where I'm going to find the time to edit them. Like, some videos are like 30 minutes. Who's sitting through a 30-minute video? You tell me. You tell me. Please. Please tell me. So, some of them I'm debating if I should, like my birthday video. I have that, but that's 30 minutes, baby. I don't know how that's going to work. And then I have an unboxing video because remember I told y'all, I think in the last video, so I was going to do an unboxing video. I got that. And then I got this. I think I got a couple more, but I think that's it for the most part. So I think this is going to come up before the rest of this. Cooking is easy. Cooking is easy. You know. But yeah, we will see. But yeah, just know that the video's on the way. It's just taking me a long time to do it. Let's see if this oil's ready though. It ain't even type hot yet. How am I gonna dip these Oreos now? That's the real question. Because I'm putting it on a fork and then you know how long I haven't had Oreos, yo. I'm probably gonna get a whole bunch of hate for this, but I can't eat Oreos like that. Like, too much chocolate makes me sick. But this tastes good. I wanna start eating them. They smell so good. So good. Oh, wait, hold on. Can I be in a commercial? Commercial. Okay. Let me stop. Hey. Yo, when you're cleaning, make sure you clean as you go. Like, don't be cleaning and have a messy counter. Like, that's not cute, baby. It's kind of getting hot. It's getting hot in here, so hot. So let me change perspective for you guys. Now you guys can see what's going on over here. So this is what the batter looks like. This is, I put a little bit of the batter in there to see if the oil was heating up. But I realized it was too soon. But this is what's happening. When it actually starts to bubble up and stuff, then I will get back to you. So yeah, I put one in there. So Okay. I ended up adding more milk because the first one looked kind of chunky, but I don't think I should have added the milk. We'll see how this one turns out. Alrighty then. They smell so good. The only thing I wish I bought y'all was the icing sugar, but it was too expensive. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it and see how it tastes. This is how it looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. This? Where have you been all my life? Hallelujah, praise Jesus. Jesus. The devil is a lie. Those are so tasty, y'all. Y'all, if y'all want to make good deep fried Oreos at your house, I would 100% recommend it. I was not expecting that. Let me make some more. I made 10. But I'm gonna conclude the video because I think, y'all, it tastes so good. These so good. So good. Like, can you see the color? Can you see? I'm fat, but baby, this changes the game. This changes the game. Let me tell y'all, it's right here. It's it. It's popping. If y'all like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Share with all your friends. And make it. If you haven't made it yet, you're missing out. Cause this baby right here is something. It'll make you wanna do a little dance. Make you wanna do a little dance. Make you wanna do a little dance. Alright. Okay. See y'all in the next video. See y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share with all your friends and like ring the little notification bell and make this. Make this. Okay. All you need is Oreos, pancake mix, eggs, and oil and milk. Yes, baby. See you in the next video.
Don't know